Sending traffic straight to an offer kills sales. Why you need a capture page? What is the functionality of your capture page? To simply capture your potential market's email address. Thereafter, you are building more of a deeper bond, deeper relationship with your community. For example, in the past, the present, and in the future, business, especially online business, is a relationship thing. You need to be able to build that know, like, and trust so that your community will buy into you, into your products, your service, your transformation, your vision, your mission. Whatever you are selling, people will be like, I need this. This will transform XYZ results. That is why you need a capture page to nurture your leads, to create more awareness, to build that deeper know, like, and trust, so that at a future date and time, or at the present time when you are sending out your email sequences, to actually build that relationships, adding more value upfront, adding more relevant content to your market, solving the pain point, or educating, or being more transparent with what your products and service actually does, the benefits, the main purpose, functionality of what that does, can steer the needle closer for you to get online results. So do not send your traffic straight to an offer. Instead, send them straight to a capture page for you to build your email list. Building your email list equals currency. Email list equals currency. Email list equals you building that deeper know, like, and trust. At a future date and time, or at a present time, your market will simply start actually taking a keen interest in being open to wanting or needing your products and services. Thank you, and you're welcome.